My name is Gesche Hübner, and with my colleagues Nicole Watson and Mike Fell, I will be speaking about how and why to introduce TReQ into your research. We will take you through 4 tools you can use to improve the TReQ of your research: pre-registration of studies, reporting guidelines, preprints, and open data and open code. For each, we will cover how the approach is used, what the benefits are for you as a researcher, but also for science more generally. Alongside, we will also discuss commonly cited drawbacks. In the final video, we'll draw it all together and show you how you can implement the TReQ tools into your workflow. We will also share the TReQ list with you, a checklist which you can use to document how you've been using tools to promote the TReQ of your own research.
There is a lot to bear in mind, but there's also loads of great resources out there to help you.
So let's jump in.